In 1974, the statue you see behind me, the Keeper of the Plains, was given to the city of Wichita by Native American artist Black Bear Boson. It stands where the city was founded, at the convergence of the Big and Little Arkansas rivers. It's 50 years old now. Let's go take a look. The Keeper was commissioned to mark the nation's bicentennial and to pay respect to local Indian tribes. He stands behind the Mid-American All-Indian Center. This bridge and plaza were built in 2006 to elevate the statue and preserve the history of the local tribes. The steel rings ignite nightly and are known as the Ring of Fire. I'm standing at the base of the stone tower. It's 30 feet high, and then the statue itself is another 44 feet. I'm at the convergence of the two rivers where the city was founded. Behind me you can see some of the well-known buildings of the city, even though there aren't a whole lot of them. The old Holiday Inn and the Epic Center and even Exploration Place. This is where Wichita began, and it is sacred ground to the Native American inhabitants of the area, including the Wichita Indian Nation. Wichita, as we know it, simply wouldn't exist if it were not for the Treaty of the Little Arkansas, and of course the Wichita Indian Nation. Our city is rich in Native American history and culture. The Keeper of the Plains is just one more thing that makes Wichita such a great place to live, and the city that I love to call home.